Hello to everybody out there watching. I've been trying to track down one of these for quite a while. I finally pulled one in. It's cost me a bomb, but it was worth it. You're looking at a 1995 model of Rivarossi cab Ford. So she's a 4-4-4-2 wheel arrangement, and there we have its tender. Now I do have the paperwork with that Rivarossi provided with the loco. I'll just quickly read it to you, it's not long. So they say, to improve the visibility caused by smoke in snow sheds and tunnels of the Sierra Nevada line, Southern Pacific Railway ordered the new famous cab Ford locomotives from the Baldwin Locomotive Works, a big articulated single expansion engine with the driver's cab at the front. The locomotives were built between 1928 and 1944. This is the 1944 example. They were classified as articulated consolidations. These cab Ford locomotives, having a 4882 wheel arrangement, were exceptionally powerful and used on Roseville Spark Line and other divisions where steep gradients as much as 2.5 were encountered. They were employed generally for heavy freight, especially during World War II, for transporting troops and war materials to the ports on the Pacific coast. And then it goes on to give you some detail about its tractive effort and boiler pressure and stuff like that, and its weight. Now it was fueled by oil, so there would be a line connecting the tender to the locomotive, and the crew would sit up the front. Now whether these were a successful engine, I don't know. It says it was, and then you read forums where the people say that the drivers didn't like them because they felt vulnerable to collisions, having nothing in front of them, which I suppose is a valid point. But going through a tunnel, I don't think you'd want to be breathing in all of the byproducts of burning coal or oil in these tunnels, and being behind the boiler at the time. So yeah, that much is up for debate. But anyway, I'll just show you how she runs, just at a slower speed to start with. I'll just put her on for a crawl. That's about as low as I can get it on my old controller, my clipper. I'll just bring it back, just show you that it not too shabby. There you go, that's not a bad crawl for an old power controller. I'll just quickly send her around the track. If I go the right way. It does go a reasonable speed. There we go. But I'll just pull her up as I don't trust it through these curves down the back here just yet. I have had a bit of problem with derailing, but I think I've sorted it. There's nothing worse than buying a new loco and it won't go around your track. But yeah, I've had to jink it around a bit down there to get the curves right. But she seems to be running well now. Not too bad. And very good runner. Oop, I don't know what's happened there. Why did you do that? Oh, there you go. It's I've oiled it, so it shouldn't have been a problem. Might have to check why that jammed. Not too sure. That's the first time that's happened. So anywho, I'll just back that up. Just quickly show you what I've been up to out the back. Finally got these my little goods yard set up, as you can see, and I've had to find carriages that would play the game. I've got my station down there at the moment. I just wanted it out of the way. I'll just give you. Oops. Forgot to put the screw back in that. I just serviced it. Never mind. So just run the old Ginty. Give it a simple task. Pop you out of the way. Now let's see if this is going to play the game. We've had rehearsals, and I've still got the other Ginty on the line. Clear those. Alright. I would land on a dead spot. There we go. Try now. So in theory this should go down there. Hook. And smoothly ascend the little hill there and come up and deliver the freight around to the platform. Yeah, well, just reverse it now. I've even jigged around with this a bit so that it will reverse back. Hang on, let me just move that engine a touch. It looks like it's in a little dead spot. Try again, shall we? Yeah, not too fast, not too fast. So, I've got my old Ginty successfully negotiating those points. They're Hornby points, the older version. Kind of gives all of my locos a bit of a chance at negotiating the points. But yeah, I've been having a bit of fun. All of the lines work just as well. Once I repair my, see now I've had a little derailment, haven't said all that. Once I see the hooks got tangled, they got a bit locked, and that happens. Once I get my points fixed over there, I'll be able to do a whole circuit, I suppose, but I don't mind the challenge of trying to get these to successfully negotiate the points to and fro. Just adds a bit more interest. So down the track I'll hopefully be able to build up a few trains and do a few laps and, you know, deliver them around the place. But anyway, so that's generally where I'm at. But yeah, what are you doing to me? There we are. I must have landed on a dead spot. You wouldn't think that's possible for an engine of this size. Maybe the lines are a bit uneven still. I don't know. I'll keep working on it. I've had to shimmy it up. I had to shimmy up the line in a few places with toothpicks to make it perfectly level so that it runs properly. Once I get some suitable freight, Southern Pacific, I'll be able to make a nice train, a realistic train. So anyhow, this was coming towards the end of Rivarossi's time as an Italian company, and now we really were putting out some nice models by that stage, well detailed, separately fitted. It's a lot of it's plastic, but still looks nice. Anyhow, I just thought I'd show you my latest acquisition. I'll catch up with you again soon. Bye.